Alrighty. I'm a panic on my wrist. My demonstrations in pain. Okay. Today is Monday, June 1st. Halfway over with the year, basically. Is it? Because we're 6 months in, there's 12 months. Yeah, we're halfway through. What? So crazy. Sorry about last week. Didn't take any trades, had help with, track camp and stuff like that. So it is what it is. But we'll get back at it this week. No trades today. Very close. It's another one of those. So let's go back in market open. Boom. Market open. This is Iran news. Something about, you know, communicate something about communication. So it just tanked. Push back up, boom, push down. And right before market open, I'm like, okay, okay, let's zoom out. What am I seeing? I'm seeing tons of equal session lows down here. Boom, right here. So I'm like, okay, could come down, sweep out those, reverse take the high, like kind of like a rebalance of this, right? Boom, push down, and then reject up. I also saw like, okay, not so equal highs up here, but then when you break it down to like the 5 minute, okay, that kind of does look like manipulation. And on ES, that's not the high, that's the high, that's manipulation. Look at the perfect 5 minute model, right? Boom, accumulate, manipulate, distribution phase one, retrace to the failure swing, right? Boom, change the state, boom, perfect sell off to take some targets. But really what I'm seeing here is I'm saying, okay, this order block right here, 15-minute order block, right here, I'm seeing these lows. And so that's kind of what okay, are we going to react to this? Are we going to push down, react to that? Alrighty, market open, pushes down a little bit, doesn't take it still, and then pushes up. And so I'm like, well, darn it. Really nothing there for me to take, right? Because we didn't take the low. That's what I need to see. Not, possible entry here, but that's exactly a market open, harder to take, blah, 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 blah. Boom, change the state, react in there. I think this was that a 3 minute? Yeah, 3 minute looking like, yeah, 3 minute. And so I'm like, well, we could just continue to run and take all this and then possibly push down. But like, we'll just have to see. We already tapped into the order block, kept pushing up. Okay, I saw this. I'm like, okay, that looks like manipulation. Took out these highs right here in an order block, high time frame point of interest. Okay, that looks good. But what? Yes. Had not tapped into this 15-minute gap yet, right? ES has just been sitting right here. And I'm like, we're kind of close. We could push up, manipulate these out on ES, and then also put in new manipulation on NQ, and then sell off. So that's what I was seeing. So I'm like, okay, that's what I want to see. Boom. Took the low, kept pushing up, kept pushing up. And boom, I think right there. Yeah. No, it's actually the next candle, I think. But actually, let's go back to ES. Yeah, that next candle, boom, took the high. And so I'm thinking, okay, I want shorts now, right? Manipulations in, boom, yes, we're in a spot I expect to reject. Boom, this looks good for shorts. We didn't take the low here. We have more stacked lows below. That looks perfect for lows, honestly. And so, boom, no suit there. Okay, boom, close the blow. And I'm like, man, okay, no suit, no CISD there. Okay, push down, switch out all these. Okay, I need to see a soup right here. No soup. No soup, no entry. Alrighty, even though that's a spot I expect to reject. And then we just sold off. And then we didn't take it, and then we reversed. And so I'm like, well, I don't like longs because we didn't take this. And then we've kind of been stair stepping it like that. And that's where we are now. So not much today, honestly, as you can kind of see. But I mean, If I would have found entry here, then maybe, but then still, this didn't even take the low. And so that's when I'm kind of like, like, okay, longs could possibly be the move. I think they want longs to be the move, but without taking this low, like, I don't know. It's a little sketch in that remark. But yeah, there's not much else to say because, when I don't see what I want to see, there's no trade, and that's good. And I mean, really, there's no soups here to find entry. Boom. That's really what I'm looking for is the soups here. So okay, that's a change of state. Boom. That's a change of state. Boom. Nope. So no soups, no entry right here, and that's kind of what I don't know. But I mean, yeah, I kind of like this happening on a Monday because I realize, okay, I can read the market really well with what I want to see. No entry, okay. Probably wanted to hit TP, but realizing, okay, I can read the market, so coming in tomorrow, I'm like, yeah, I can do it. And so that's exciting, but gosh, what is this action? That's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. But I mean, that's what happens when they have a war going on and stuff like that. But yeah, I kind of want to go back to that ES 5 minute just because it looks so clean in this. Boom. Great manipulation up, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, retrace. This is the failure swing of things. Soup, CISD, sell. Right? And it's not like the news, decided to go this way. No, it just injects a bunch of volatility and shorts, boom, something like that. I don't even know. And then, yeah. But then what does it look like on the 1 minute? Okay. That's the manipulation. Push down. Okay. Retrace up to this soup. Actually, CISD there. Push down. Boom. That's another soup. That's another CISD. Boom. So it looks clean on ES. Oh, yeah. Also, ES went nowhere today. Okay. What are we doing? Take a look at the range for today. We've moved like 20 points. What? We're completely sideways. I'm surprised NQ isn't completely sideways too. But yeah, hey, it's a Monday, and yeah, I mean there was ISM at 10, which is why this giant gap was here. But I mean, still not taking the low. That would have been another good trade if since no soup there. Okay, if we had opened low, if this would have opened low down here, boom, taking that low, closed here, I would be looking for nothing but longs. Boom, that would have been like perfect actually. Like, okay, boom, soup, CISD already, and then target the highs or even equal highs. Like perfect, but it didn't happen. Same with pre-market, like right before market open, it didn't take the low, and so I'm like, okay, if the first part of my checkbox, the liquidity sweep, isn't there, I don't really need to be thinking about anything else. But then boom, spot I expect to reject, blah 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 blah, manipulation, boom, and I just don't get the entry. No turtle soup. So yeah, I mean, what can you do? Just trading something that's more I don't even know, less scalpy, more it's got more going on in the background, right? More confidence in this, the patience level. It allows me to be super patient. It allows me to take great trades, the same trades, which is what I do. And I mean, that's kind of it. I'm kind of just, yeah, blabbering on because, yeah, and now we're at 9 minutes. So, hey, that's all I've got for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.